Hi, welcome to everyone on this new session on Introduction to Google Search Ads. Google Search Ads are one of the most powerful way of marketing your brand, and most of the marketing expenses across the world, especially on digital medium, goes to Google Search Ads. So let's move further and know about what is Google Search Ads. So the most basic thing about Google Search Ads, it brings quality traffic, but it may cost more, right? So what is Google Search Ads? Let's go and find out. For example, if I'm typing something over here, let's suppose data science course. If I type something like this, the first thing you will see ads 1, 2, 3, 4. These all are Google search ads. So here this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and after Google search ads you may start seeing something reference which is results are from a business page, and later on possibly the organic results. So the reason why it is one of the most powerful way of promoting your brand or your courses or your product, because now customer is defining his intent is he is searching for some course and directly ads are coming. So high chances are there, if you write something like this, 40 to 50% chances are there you may click over here, right? And since this visitor or this guy who is searching for data science course, he is anyway looking for a course and he gets something like this, he may go and click onto this page. If he click onto this page, he will go to the relevant website, and from there he can get the additional details, and he may buy the product. Only thing that we have to keep in mind, whenever he is clicking on something like this, the company, like for example here Intellipaat, they have to pay something to Google. It varies from 5 rupees to 500 rupees based on the competition. If many companies are competing for this ad, what does it mean? Whenever somebody is typing data science course, please show my ad. If many people are competing, then definitely you have to pay more. If very few people are competing, then you don't have to pay more. So let's proceed, and in this session we will try to understand the structure of Google search ads. So for example, let me write another thing: online cooking classes. So let's see what happened. So here I am seeing the ads from Sanjeev Kapoor Academy, right? So these are the ads, but this is the ad, not necessarily every time you will see the same ad. If I type online cooking classes in Thane, so here we are also seeing some more details of the same ad, right? So for example, here we are seeing two links, one here and one here. So let's try to understand one ad completely in detail. So let me take you through this presentation. So understanding one ad with an example. So this is Sanjeev Kapoor Academy, and now we will try to understand what is this line is, or what about this one, what all these terms are there. So let's start with this one, first one, this Sanjeev Kapoor Academy online course. So this is your title number 1, and this is online cooking course, this is your title number 2. So in the ads you can get the option to put 15 titles, and each title should not be more than 30 characters. So what exactly is happening? Google is giving you to give 15 combination, but it will not show more than 3 titles, or minimum 2 titles will be appearing. What does it mean? At the max it will show Sanjeev Kapoor Academy online cooking course and possibly best master chef in India, something like this, but it is giving you option to write nearly about 15 titles. So based on the various permutation combination, it will show your titles. But at least I think while preparing the ad, minimum we should give 2 to 3 headlines, and headlines which are very effective or which are representing our brand name. Now as I told you before, and the characters limit for one title is not more than 30 characters. So this is title, and it should not be more than 30 characters. Now let's go to descriptions. What is description? This line, introducing Sanjeev Kapoor Academy till celebrated chef. So introducing Sanjeev Kapoor Academy, become an expert in cooking amazing dishes from home, learn an S. So, till celebrated chef, this is the description. So this evolving culinary skills, 1000 recipes, these are not the part of description. We will understand in the next slide. And in this ad, you get option to put 4 description, and each description should not be more than 90 characters. And only one description will appear on your search ad. So only one description will appear, but you have option to give 4 description. And this description again should be relevant to your business and what exactly you are offering. It should be relevant to your business. Now let's move to call out options. So this evolve culinary skills, 1000 recipes, home style cooking, and get access for 180 days. These all are call out extension, and this extension highlight your business offering. So max 10 call out extension in one ad, and each with 25 characters. So you should not cross the limit of 25 characters. And one thing that we have to keep in mind, this call out extension or call out may or may not appear in the ads. So this is not mandatory. Whenever you search for the ad, this call out extension may or may not come in the ads. And now the site links. What are these site links? So this additional information which is available with the help of food business from home or restaurant style cooking, these are called site extensions. And 25 characters title and 35 characters site link. So this is the title and this is the site detail. So it should be within these limits. And at the max, 2 site link may or may not appear on the search. So either you may get 2 search results, 2 site link. Sometimes you may get it, sometimes you may not get it. For example, in the previous example when I was showing on the internet, so when I was searching for online cooking classes in Thane, we were seeing 2 site link. But online cooking classes, we did not see any site link. Only reason is, since for online cooking classes lots of competition is there, so Google does not have lots of space to show your ad. So that is why we are not seeing these site links. And here, since not many people are competing for this keyword, because here along with online cooking classes we also have written Thane. So that is why, since not many advertisements are there, only one ad is there, and you can see this is the organic search. So that's the result. We are seeing complete detail. So this is the thing that we have to keep in mind. Sometimes Google may show you complete details and sometimes it may not show. Now again go back to the presentation. And the most important thing that we have to keep in mind, the keyword. So first of all, whenever we are preparing any search ad, we have to select the relevant keyword based from our search on Google Keyword Planner. And this Google Keyword Planner we already have seen when we were learning about the search engine optimization. We went to this tools Keyword Planner and we search for the keywords. So similarly, you have to repeat this exercise from the Keyword Planner. In case if you know the keywords, we can find out the search volume. In case if you do not know the keywords, you can search for the keyword from here by writing cooking classes online. So it will show you all different permutation and combination of different keywords that can be used. Yeah, so many options are available. So we can select any of this combination. So each time whenever we are giving our ad, for example, whenever we are giving our this search ad, we have to say, okay, on this keyword, please show my ad. If this people are not typing this keyword, then don't show my ad. So for example, we have seen I have written online cooking classes in Thane. This ad was appearing. But let us see, if I type online cooking, can we see this ad? Yes. So even we are seeing, if somebody is typing online cooking, we are seeing this ad. So now what we do, we just remove online and just write cooking. So now you see, as soon as I change it to cooking, now that ad is not coming. So what does it mean? They are not targeting cooking keyword. They are targeting online cooking or online cooking classes. So this is the thing that we have to keep in mind. As an advertiser, we have to give the option on which keywords or combination of keyword we want to show our ad. And basically while giving this keyword, so let's select, with the help of Google Keyword Planner, we have selected these 3 keywords: online cooking classes, and online cooking course. But again here we have to keep this thing in mind, which is keyword type. So there are 3 keyword types are there: broad match, phrase match, and exact match. So broad match is looking like we are just writing the cooking classes. Phrase match, so we are adding the double quote, and here here we are writing cooking classes under the bracket. So what does broad match, phrase match, and exact match means? In the next slide we are going to see. But we have to keep in mind, whenever we are giving our keyword, we have to either write a phrase match, cooking classes, or the exact match, and this is the way Google will take the option from our side. So now let's understand what is this broad match. So broad match ad may show on searches that are related to your keyword, which can include searches that don't contain the keyword terms. So for example, if I select the broad match keyword like cooking classes, then even if somebody is searching for vegetarian cooking, my ad may come up. If somebody is searching for baking classes, my ad may come up, because they are related to my keyword cooking classes but are not matching exactly to my keyword terms. So here and these are the couple of examples that I could brought in front of you, or cooking classes near me. So this is the broad match. But if you select the phrase match, what will happen? Ad may show on searches that include the meaning of your keyword. So here this is bit narrow down. So if I write my keyword in cooking classes under this double quote, so my ad will come if somebody is searching for like the kids cooking classes near me, or online cooking classes. So here we have to keep in mind, everywhere these are keyword, cooking classes keyword is coming. So here also in kids cooking classes near me, or online cooking classes, this cooking classes phrase is coming. And what do you mean by exact match? Exact match may show on searches that are same meaning or same intent as the keyword. So here in cooking classes, it is not adding kids cooking classes, but classes for cooking, cooking class, or class cooking. So all the various permutation combination within these two keywords will only come, right? It can be as I said, classes for cooking, cooking for classes, class cooking, or classes cooking. So all those permutation combination may come up whenever you are searching for the exact search. So these are the various way whenever we are planning to give our search ad. Those are the things that we have to plan for. And in the class we will see how we can design a very effective Google Ads, and just go through this video, try to understand all the terms that we have explained in this video, and try to go to Google and try to see different kind of search ads are coming based on your search query. So that's all for this session. See you in the live session.